So a lot of people think that after the newest update, grappling is extremely family-sided. I'm going to show that it's still victim-sided, especially for Leland with max strength. So if you get into grapple, you could see exactly when you tap your A button. I'm going to use that as the evidence for me showing that I'm tapping it exactly when I tap it. So I'm going to tap it very slowly at first, and I'm going to tap it fast so you could see that tapping at the exact moment. So I'm going to tap it right now. Again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So that was 16 taps, like I said, for Leland. Now I'm going to speed it up. You're going to see the A button icon tap a lot faster and flash up a lot more. Flashes every single time I press the A button. So there I was going a bit faster on the A button tapping. You could see it flashing up a lot more. So with these tests, I'm going to be going as slow as possible so you can see exactly when I tap the A button, so there's no mistake. Okay, I'm going to be running 2 more tests, grappling with hands and grappling with Connie at 15 strength. So with the hands grapple, I'm going to be showing that it takes 20 taps to win with hands, exactly 20 taps, and with Connie I'm going to be showing with 15 strength and full health, it takes exactly 23 taps to win. And it's always going to take the same exact amount if you have full health at 15 strength. So, like I said before, I'm going to be tapping as slow as possible so you can see exactly when the A button flashes up. That way you'll know exactly when I'm tapping it. Okay, so first I'm going to be testing out the grapple with hands. It's going to take exactly 20 taps. I'm going to be going as slow as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, 15 strength, like I said. Here we go.
Another disturbance was reported at the abandoned slaughterhouse outside of Hills Prairie. Deputies responded to a caller reporting loud noises from the dilapidated facility after midnight. Police investigated the site and found evidence of trespassing and minor equipment theft, but suspect it is merely the work of local vandals. Jared Gaines wasn't sure what...
Oh my God. What did he do to me?
Okay. Gonna be tapping as slow as possible for the test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. As you can see, 23 taps for counting. People are saying that if Hands has suffocating grip, it's a guaranteed win for Hands every single time. Well, I'm going to put max strength on Leland with the grappler perk maxed out. And we're going to see if it's not just a guaranteed win for Leland every single grapple. Okay, so Hands takes 20 button taps to win a close encounter. That's if he doesn't have suffocating grip. But if he does have suffocating grip, it only takes him 14. Now, suffocating grip gives you a 25% boost towards your button taps. So does grappler. Leland without grappler only takes 16 button taps to win a close encounter. So let's see how many button taps it takes Leland with grappler. Tapping as slow as possible, like usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, only 12. Who could have saw that coming? So as we could see, victims still have the advantage in close encounters. The only difference is now after the update, if you have suffocating grip, you're probably going to win as family. But the problem is, Johnny still has disadvantages. If he doesn't have suffocating grip, it takes him 24 taps to win a close encounter, and it only takes a 15 strength victim with full health 23 taps. And the only character that really does have an advantage in close encounters with full health victims is Hands. Takes him 20 taps to win. But if you just scale your character's strength up to 30, it'll only take your victim 20 taps to win as well. So that's assuming your victim is at full health. If you have Leland with grappler and 50 strength, you're never going to lose a grapple unless you're just not tapping fast enough. It's only going to take you 12 taps to win versus Hands with suffocating grip taking 14 taps. Even with all that, it's going to take Hands 14 taps. Now, if you were to get Leland's health lower, then you could probably win, but I'd say as a distraction character, Leland's still very strong, even after this grapple change.